Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best makeup kit is probably one of the most exciting things for young girls who love to explore the world of beauty. This kit is not just a collection of cosmetics, it's a gateway to creativity, self-expression, and fun. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great makeup kit, from the essential items every kit should have to the best brands and sets available. Number 5. Hollyhi Kids Makeup Kit for Girls. This amazing makeup kit has everything a young princess needs. It includes eyeshadows, lip glosses, brushes, and more. With this set, she can create endless looks and feel like royalty. Made with high-quality, safe materials, this makeup is designed for kids. It's easy to wash off with soap and water, so parents can relax. It's also been tested for safety, so she can play with confidence. The kit comes in a neat carrying case, perfect for storage and travel. All the items are organized, so she can easily find what she needs. It's mess-free and keeps everything in one place. This makeup kit encourages creativity and imagination. She can explore different looks and have fun with friends and family. It's a great way to improve fine motor skills and have fun. Looking for the perfect gift? This makeup set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. She can have her own makeup and fulfill her princess dreams. It's a gift she'll cherish. What we like? This kit is packed with everything a young princess could desire, offering a wide array of makeup and accessories. It's designed with safety in mind, being easily washable and non-staining. If your little one loves to experiment with different looks and enjoys creative play, this set is perfect for sparking their imagination. What people say. All of the items are appropriated for little kids and washable. The nail polish is washable and peels off of nails easily. The case is very cute with tons of little drawers and cubby holes. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Mermaid Makeup Kit for Girls. Introducing the Purple Ladybug Mermaid Makeup Kit. This all-in-one set is perfect for sparking creativity and fun for young girls. It's designed to let them explore the world of makeup safely. Inside, you'll find everything they need: eyeshadow, blush, lip gloss, lipstick, nail polish, and stickers. It's a complete set designed for endless imaginative play. Everything is perfectly sized for little hands. We know safety is key. That's why this kit uses non-toxic materials that are gentle on the skin. Cleanup is a breeze, too, just use soap and water. The cosmetics come in a stylish, mermaid-themed carrying case with a wristlet. It's perfect for travel, sleepovers, or keeping everything organized at home. They can take it anywhere. This makeup set encourages imaginative play and helps build confidence. It's a fantastic way for kids to explore their creativity and develop motor skills while having fun. It's a great gift for any occasion. What we like? The mermaid-themed carrying case makes this kit stand out, offering a stylish and organized way to store all the makeup essentials. The non-toxic formula ensures peace of mind for parents, and it washes off easily. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun with a touch of magic and encourages imaginative play, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The little purse comes with it is durable and everything there is washable. The lipstick is washable, the nail polish is washable, so I feel that was safe and fun. This set is so cute and looks like real makeup. This set has more in it than I thought and is very realistic and flashy. The brushes are nice and sturdy with a metallic look. It has so many makeup products included in a very nice makeup bag, which are very good quality and safe to use. They are not messy and they are washable and are so much fun. Number 3. Mathea Kids Makeup Set for Girls. Introducing the Mathea Kids Makeup Set. It's packed with everything she needs to create her own unique looks. This set will make her feel like the most beautiful princess. This amazing kit includes eyeshadows, blush, lip gloss, nail polish, and more. She'll have endless fun experimenting with different colors and styles. It's a complete set for her to explore her creativity. We know safety is important. That's why this makeup is made with non-toxic, washable materials. She can enjoy playing without any worries. It's easy to clean up with just soap and water. This makeup set encourages creativity and imagination. She can play with friends and family, developing important skills while having fun. It's a great way to bond and create lasting memories. Looking for the perfect gift? This makeup set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. She'll love having her own makeup kit to express herself. It's a gift that will bring joy and smiles. The set comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to store and take on the go. She can keep everything organized and avoid any mess. It's perfect for little girls who love to be tidy. What we like. This set prioritizes safety with its washable and non-toxic formula, making it worry-free for parents. It also provides an opportunity for kids to play makeup with friends and family. If you're looking for a makeup kit that's easy to clean up and promotes creativity, this is a great option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, lip gloss, and applicators. The makeup is designed to be washable, making it easy to clean up. The set comes with a cute carrying case, making it easy to store and transport the makeup. Number 2. Super JOY Kids Makeup Kit. This amazing makeup kit is perfect for little girls. It includes everything they need to explore their creativity and have fun. It's a great way for them to express themselves. Inside, you'll find a wide array of makeup items. From blush and eyeshadow to lipsticks and nail polish, it has everything. It even comes with a cute blue dream bag. This makeup is completely washable with soap and water. Kids can enjoy hours of play without any worries. It's designed with safety in mind, so parents can relax. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special event. This set allows them to dress up like a princess. They can have fun with friends and family. For external use only, and always under adult supervision. If any irritation occurs, discontinue use. It's a safe and enjoyable way for kids to explore the world of makeup. What we like. This kit offers real makeup that is easily washable, allowing kids to experiment without worry. It includes a variety of colors and tools suitable for all skin tones. If you're searching for a gift that will bring hours of fun and allow kids to express themselves creatively, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The set includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, lip gloss, and blush. The makeup is designed to be washable, making it easy to clean up. The kit comes with a carrying case, which is convenient for storage and travel. Number 1. Kids Washable Makeup Kit for Girls. Looking for the perfect gift for your little girl? This makeup kit is designed just for kids. It's a great way for them to explore their creativity. Inside, they'll find a variety of colors. The kit includes eyeshadows, lip glosses, and blushes, along with brushes for easy application. This cosmetic case encourages creativity and hands-on skills. It's a fantastic gift that sparks imagination and allows them to express themselves. Made with washable materials, it's safe for kids. They can enjoy playing and experimenting with makeup, creating their own unique looks. The all-in-one set is compact and easy to carry. Whether at home or on the go, she can enjoy the fun of dressing up anywhere. It's perfect for beginners and experienced makeup enthusiasts. This kit allows them to showcase their charm at parties, keeping them entertained for hours. What we like. This kit provides a real makeup palette with a variety of colors and tools. It's designed to develop girls' originality and improve hands-on ability. If you're looking for a travel-friendly set that allows your child to enjoy the fun of dressing up wherever they go, this is an excellent option. What people say. The makeup kit is a great size for travel. The colors are vibrant and the makeup is easy to apply. It comes with a variety of makeup items, including eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.